How to fix fatal error when launching your Withering Waves game. If you're trying to launch the Wuthering Waves game but then it's giving you that fatal error message and so on, right? So why is it that could be happening? Well, there could be multiple reasons. First of all, now depending upon whether you're using Mac or Windows, right? In my case, I'm using Mac, so I will go to the App Store on my Mac, and in the search bar, I'll just type in Wuthering Waves. Once I've done that, I just have to verify if my Wuthering Waves game is actually updated to the latest version. So if it needs an update, most likely you will see the update button there. If you're on your Windows version, make sure that you verify the installation files from your Epic Games launcher. The second thing could also be due to insufficient storage on your system. So you want to make sure that the drive where you installed it actually has quite a decent amount of storage. Again, depending upon whether you're using Mac or Windows, you just have to make sure that you have got plenty of storage left. And after you've done that, that should most likely help you solve the problem. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.